What up, YouTube? Today is Wednesday and we're going to be hitting legs and shoulders. Should be a really good workout because before this one I've already got 400 grams of carbs in my system. Plenty of fuel for this workout. Super excited. Let's go. First exercise is going to be a single leg extension. I'm now up to the full stack, which is 250. Last week I did 8 reps, so I got to beat 8 today. We'll see how we do. And I did 2 sets, so I did 8 then 6. So let's see if we can beat that today. All right, here we go. Whew. Yep, okay, 10. See the left leg. All right, we'll do a short rest pause and jump right back into it. All right, so set number 2, I'll try to beat 6. All right, 8. All right, done with that. All right, last week I did 7 reps, so we got to beat that today. Let's go. Oh, 9. Oh. 2 weeks ago, I did 6 reps behind the head, so with 50 pounds. So we got to beat 6. All right, 10. All right, so the next exercise is going to be a rear fly, and we're going to try to beat, I think it was 8 reps at 210. I'm gonna double check. Yep, so we gotta beat 8 reps today. Let's see how we do. And hopefully I've given myself enough time to recover from shoulder press. Here we go. Next exercise is going to be a dumbbell lateral raise. I'm going to stick with 25s. Just try to do these to failure. Come on. All right, 15 reps. Woo! Workout complete. Burned about 400 calories. Heart rate's still up, so probably by the time I get home it'd be closer to 500. But it's a good workout. Set some PRs on all the lifts, which is good. Kept it short and brief so I wasn't burning through too many resources. Now is the post-workout meal. Probably going to do some beef, rice, and avocado. So I'll get a little bit of protein, carbs, and fats. And then it's edit the video and post it. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.